wine din po to preserve wine po 2 to 3 weeks po. And its main purpose po is to serve wine. So we do have this card po. We have postpaid and prepaid card. The postpaid card po are the ones that the wine associate will assist you. And then the prepaid card naman po is you'll have to load it. It's a reloadable card, and then first you'll have to insert it like this po. You have to insert the card, and then you will press the desired quantity of wine you want to dispense po. As you can see po, we have 3 serving sizes. We have the sip serving, half serving, and then the full serving po. For those guests po na who doesn't want to drink wine po ng whole bottle.
Okay. So, automated dispenser na pala siya. High-tech.
Then, calibrated na rin po siya into each ml po na dapat niya i-dispense for each serving po.
So, the advantage nito is you are keeping the wine fresh.
Yes po. We can keep wine fresh po for up to 3 weeks po.
Okay.
And then, ang advantage din po nito is we can actually feature 8 red wines po na sabay-sabay po sila.
Okay.
Para pong hindi siya nakaka-boring na isang grape lang po. This one po is 8 grape varietals po. Ayun po. So after 2 to 3 weeks din po, we change din po yung mga featured wines. So by the time na pumunta kayo ngayon, iba po ulit
Iba na naman.
the next time po. So you have the chance po na matikman yung mga wines na sinesell po namin dito sa Planet.
So where's from the lightest to the full body?
The lightest po will start here in the Pinot Noir, and then the full-bodied wine po is the Cabernet Sauvignon, followed by Shiraz po. So ang pagkaka-arrange po sa kanya is from lightest and then to the fullest.
Ano yung natingnan ko? Itong
yes po, we tried po yung full-bodied po na Cabernet Sauvignon. Then sa left side naman po, we have po yung white wine. We have din po 7 grape varietals naman po for the white wine. And then we have po 1 rosé. So we have po yung from the lightest, we have po si Sauvignon Blanc. And from the driest naman po, we have the Riesling. And we have po semi-sweet, which is the Gewürztraminer. And the sweetest po is the Moscato. So same procedure lang po. Papasok lang po yung card, yung endomatic card po, then press na lang po yung desired na quantity po for dispensing the wine.
So, depende sa quality ng wine, sa price ng wine, saka sa volume ng di-dispense,
Yes, sir.
mababawas yung amount na...
Opo, doon po nag-range yung prices po ng bawat wine.
Okay.
So, sir, may I ask lang po, which wine do you prefer? You want po ba something white or no?
I think I'll start with the white wine.
Wine po. Which white po? You want po yung lightest na white? Parang yan, medyo dry and...
Let me start with the lightest muna siguro.
Lightest po siguro. So, I'll give you first po, sir, yung Sauvignon Blanc. Then, kapag meron po kayo sa inyong glass, you can actually assist yourself na po. And we can assist you pa rin naman po, yung mga wine associate for the recommendations of wine. So, I'll press it po to, sir, muna first. So, if you want po talaga itong glass na ito. Saka good din po ito, sir, sa mga magbabottle. Parang they can never go wrong po sa bottle na pipiliin nila.
Yun muna yung taste.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, after you taste it, then you can decide if you want the full bottle.
Opo, if you want a full glass. Yun po. Ito po yung kagandahan dito sa machine na ito.
Okay.
So, here's your sip serving po ng Sauvignon.
Thank you. So, ano to ulit? Yung
Escargot Sauvignon Blanc, sir.
escargot.
This is the lightest wine po dito sa featured on the animal.
Escargot, the snail.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
Alright, sir. Welcome.
So, we're here at Planet Grapes to discover wine, one grape at a time. Thank you, Miss.
Welcome